Welcome. Today we will be using the Reflector app to mirror our iPad onto our computer. This is great for then projecting it onto either a smartboard or any screen through a projector. It's nice for the students to be able to sit and follow along on the iPad. Maybe it's your first time introducing a new app they'll be using. You want to just kind of walk through a few things and show them what to do on there. It works really nice for that. So what we're going to start with is I'm going to show you the Reflector app here. It looks like this. There's a website you can visit, and here is the AirServer app. We're going to actually be looking for a symbol that's very similar to that. This works great for either your iPad or iPhone. So let's begin. I'm going to click on the Reflector app, and then what we're going to do is make sure that our internet Wi-Fi is the same there as it is on our iPad. So I'm going to check, and I'm going to click on my settings tab of the iPad, and there it is. It's the same one, so I can go ahead and click off of that. Now 2 fingers from the bottom of the iPad, and I'm going to swipe up. That's the same with your iPhone. It's just a 2-finger swipe from the bottom up, and there's a little AirPlay icon down in the middle on the bottom, so I'm going to click that. And then you get to choose which computer you would like to use to mirror your iPad. And then we're going to just use the little mirroring toggle switch there and just slide it on. And now we will see what our iPad looks like. And there's the choosing which one you would like, and then you choose the mirroring toggle switch. And once again, we're going to click up here on the settings tab. And then we click Wi-Fi, and you choose the matching one that was from our computer. Click my home button. It's going to bring me back here. Now my 2-finger swipe from the bottom up looks like this, and you'll notice way down here in the bottom you're going to find that Westside J. Monty MacBook. So normally it'll just say AirServer or AirPlay, and then you'll choose that one and then slide it over to mirroring. Now it's really nice because you can also have more than one iPad on here. So I'm going to use another iPad to show you how. And again, I'm going to check real quick, make sure the settings tab is on Pineview Staff. Okay, same Wi-Fi. And I'm going to slide 2 fingers up from the bottom. And I choose the AirPlay. I'm going to choose the computer again and mirror. And now you're going to see the other iPad on the screen. This works awesome if you have another student that wants to show you how they got their work. Maybe you're doing some word problems in math or something, or showing some pictures they're using or drawing or whatever it may be. Possibilities are awesome. So I'm just going to turn that off for a moment. I'm going to slide this slider over. And there we go. That one is now off again. Again, that's just a 2-finger swipe from the bottom up. iPad, iPhone, same concept. So that is how you do it. One other little thing here I'm going to show you on the computer screen is how to set a password. So I'm going to come over here, click Reflector, and there's Preferences, and there you go, password. So you want 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, done. So now when I go to try to get on my computer, I click mirroring. It's going to prompt me for my AirPlay password, which again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now you're going to see my screen again. So if you do not want anyone else on your screen, it works out great for that. So I hope you found this handy, and good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.